going on, YouTube? I know, it's been 4 months since I've dropped any content about the Nova. It's not to say that I don't have hours upon hours of footage that I took. Just didn't feel it was worthy to upload. And I've been really busy with a lot of other things that are non-Nova, non-garage or workshop related. Honey-do lists, daily driver problems, just all sorts of things. And then, of course, on top of that, delays on tools and parts and stuff for this motor. It's just been very drama-filled first part of 2023, let's put it that way. So I won't bore you with any of those details. I'm just going to get right to this and make this a super quick video for you guys to let you know that A, I'm alive and I'm still going to be dropping content, and B, get you up to speed as to where I am as of today. So as of today, the middle of June, we have ourselves one assembled short block. It's finally done. If I had a set of heads, it'd be a long block. Let's look at my factory one sitting over there, the 317s. I know, I keep talking about the heads. Just deal with it, guys. I procrastinate and I change my mind on a bunch of things. So let's get you up to speed here. So first off, crank was sent out and polished. It's the only thing that was machined. It's got all new bearings in it, so new cam bearings, rod bearings, and main bearings. New rear cover, start from the back. Obviously the 3022 pan, I had to modify the windage tray for that. It's got the new pickup tube. Same pistons and rods. I know these are the cheapo, weak versions, but I'm not revving this motor to the moon, and I don't think I'm going to boost it. If I do, I'll do that much further down the road, and I still don't think I'm going to do that. I do have all the valve train for it, just need a set of heads first. The only thing missing here is a new front seal. I thought I know I ordered it. It didn't ship with a ton of other stuff that I had sitting here for like a year and a half, and now it's too late to go complain to the person I bought it from. So I'll just order a new one. It's cheap, not a big deal. New oil pump, timing sets, timing chain, timing gear, freeze plugs, all that other good jazz. So yeah, I just need, I think I'm going to replace this gasket. It's not looking so good. And I need new knock sensors, but I've got all the other sensors that I'm not installing yet. I'm going to paint the motor first, obviously. The motor's not going to be painted for a little bit yet. Going back and forth on if I want to paint the heads along with the motor. It's going to depend on what the heads look like, whatever I get. So I'm just going to bag this motor for right now, stick it in the corner while I'm looking for a set of heads. And I'm going to start working on the bodywork for the firewall, so that'll be the next content you guys see, at least for the Nova. There's a lot of other content that they'll be dropping to the channel here in the next month or two. Got some ideas and some footage already for all of it, so we'll see on that stuff. But like I said, this one's a nice, quick, down and dirty video, guys. Let you know that I'm still alive and where we're at today. So if you have any questions, comments, drop them below. Hit the like and subscribe if you would, if you haven't done that yet. And then I'll see you on the next one, guys. Thanks.